chapter, long and short. Only a few problems given in the book are left, which I am going to discuss today. Also, I am going to discuss a few word problems or story problems, as you say, so that you will come to know how important are metric measures in our day-to-day life. So these two things we are going to do today. Let's move to our PowerPoint presentation.
Momon's journey to school from home. This is a problem from your textbook. Momon goes to school daily from home. He walks a distance of 400 meters through the village. Then he has to cross a pond which is 150 meters wide. After that, he runs through a field which is 350 meters long, and he crosses a road which is 40 meters long and reaches his school. We need to find out what is the distance traveled by Momon from home to school. So, distance walked by Momon from home to reach school is equal to 400 meter plus 150 meter plus 350 meter plus 40 meter, which is equal to 940 meters. Now children, since 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, so Momun walks slightly less than a kilometer. So you can also find out how much distance if he will walk more, then it will become 1 kilometer full, right? You can find that out. Okay. Now, do you know that the highest building in Delhi is Raheja Revanta? It is 196 meters high. And you know how high can a kite go? Approximately 90 meters high. Children, some people can fly kite very high. They are expert in flying kite, and they can fly height up till a height of 90 meter, which is even higher than Qutub Minar, which is 72 meters. Oh, great. How high can a plane fly? A plane can fly at a height of 9,000 meters, or even sometimes 12,000 meters. And sometimes it is higher than Mount Everest, which is 9 kilometers high. Now 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So 9 kilometer is 9,000 meter. So children, a plane flies higher than Mount Everest. Okay. Have you ever seen clouds below you? While traveling in a plane, you may have seen clouds below you. They look so beautiful. It looks as if we are going over a sea of clouds. So next time when you go by air, try and take a window seat and peep at the clouds. Okay. Come, let's do the word problem. While going on a long drive, Rahul, Shashank and Revant took turns to drive. Now the three friends, they went for a long drive. Rahul drove 192 kilometer and 750 meters. Shashank drove 235 kilometer, 800 meter, and Revant drove 99 kilometer, 500 meter. What was the total distance covered by them. Now, since children, all three of them were going together and they took turns, so we have to find the total distance. So what will you do? Which operation will you do? Come on, think. Yes, we are going to add. If we add the distance drove by all three of them separately, we will come to know what will be the total distance covered by them. Okay. So distance covered by Rahul is 192 kilometers, 750 meter. Distance covered by Shashank is 235 kilometer, 800 meter. And distance covered by Revant is 99 kilometer, 500 meter. So children, what we will do, we will write kilometers separately and meters separately, like this. Now, kilometers we will write in the column of kilometers and meters we will write in the column of meters. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5, 7 to the 14 and 1 15 and 5 20, 0 here and 2 carry over. Now 2 and 2 4, 4 and 5 9 and 9 plus 9 is 18, 8, 1 carry over. 9 and 1 10, 10 and 9 19, 22, 2 and 2 carry over, 2 and 2 4 and 1 5. So the answer is 528 kilometer 50 meters. So the total distance covered by them is 528 kilometer 50 meters. Okay, let's do another problem. Hartej was going to Chandigarh to meet his grandparents. Distance from his house to his grandparents' house is 423 kilometers. His car got punctured. Oh, his car got punctured after traveling 358 kilometers, 850 meters. How much distance does he need to travel more to reach his grandparents' house? Okay, children. Now the total distance is 423 kilometers. And Hartej has already traveled 358 kilometers, 850 meters. So it means some distance is still left for him to cover so that he can reach his grandparents' house. So children, what we will do in this? Which operation? Yes, we are going to do subtraction. So what we will do? We will subtract 358 kilometer, 850 meters from 423 kilometer. Okay, so this is the total distance, 423 kilometer. Distance covered is 358 kilometer, 850 meter. Distance left is 423 kilometer minus 358 kilometer, 850 meter. Now again, children, what we will do, we will write this kilometers separately and meters separately. But here there are no meters. So what will we do? In meters column, what will we write? Yes, we will write 000 meters. See, like this. See, this is 423 kilometer and 000 meters. Now you must be wondering, why have we written 000 meters? Where was the need? Now children, we have to subtract 358 kilometers and 850 meters. So naturally, we have to borrow and make it 1000 meter, and this will become 422 kilometer. Why? Because we have borrowed 1 kilometer from here And when we borrow 1 kilometer from here, in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. So here it will become 1000. And it will become easy for us to subtract 850 meters from 1000 meters. So when we subtract 850 meters from 1000 meters, we will get 150 meters, right? 0 minus 0 will be 0. 10 minus 5 will be 5, because this 0 has borrowed from here, so it will become 9. 9 minus 8 will be 1. Here it will be 2 because it has given 1 kilometer here. So 8 cannot go from 2. So this 2 will borrow from here. It will become 12. So 12 minus 8 will be 4. Here it will be 1. So 5 cannot go from 1. So 1 will borrow from here. It will become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. So and 3 minus 3 will be 0. So the answer would be 64 kilometer, 150 meters. So children, distance left to be covered by him is 64 kilometer and 150 meters. Okay, children, see how we did it? How we did the subtraction? And remember it, children, if here meters are not there, that's why we have put 0, 0, 0. Okay, let's do one more problem. Sandeep cycles around a field whose boundary is 950 meters 15 times a day. How much distance does he cover in a week? Oh God, he really loves cycling. Actually, cycling is so good for health, na? That's why. Okay, children, now there is a field whose boundary is 950 meters long. So Sandeep, what he does, he goes round and round and round and round the field, and he counts and cycles around the field 15 times a day. So we have to find out how much distance does he cover in a week. Okay. Now 950 plus 950 plus 950 plus 950, like this we have to do 15 times. Now what is this? This is repeated addition. And children, what is repeated addition? It is multiplication. So it will be very easy for us to multiply 950 by 15 to find out the distance traveled by Sandeep in one day. Now we need to find out the distance covered by him in a week. So children, how many days are there in a week? 7 days. So whatever distance he travels in one day, if we multiply it by 7, will we get the distance traveled by him in a week? Yes. Come, let's see. Distance covered in a day is 950 multiplied by 15, which is equal to 14,250 meters. Okay, children, this is the distance covered in one day. Okay, so distance covered in a week is 14,250 multiplied by 7. Okay, children, here you should do horizontal multiplication, and that's not difficult. So you can do it so easily. See, I'll show you. 7 zeros are 0. 7 fives are 35. 3 carry over and 5. 7 twos are 14. 14 and 3, 17. So 1 carry over and 7. 7 fours are 28. 28 and 1, 29. So 2 carry over 9. 7 ones are 7 and 2, 9. So the answer is 99,700 750 meters. Now children, now you remember that in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meters. And when we were converting, when I was teaching you how to change meters to kilometer and meter, I taught you a trick. And the trick is that the last three digits will be meters, and whatever is left, the number formed by that will be kilometers. So let's see that. So this is 99 kilometer 750 meters. So children, in a week he covers almost slightly less than 100 kilometer. Oh my God, this guy Sandeep is really a fitness freak. Okay, one more word problem. And this is the last word problem. Okay, for the annual day, each girl requires 75 centimeter ribbon. What is the length of the ribbon to be bought for 30 girls? Okay, children. Now, every girl requires 75 centimeter of ribbon. And in the class, there are 30 girls. So each one of them would require 75 centimeter. So naturally, teacher has to buy 75 plus 75 plus 75 plus 75. For 30 girls like this, she has to buy. Again, children, this is repeated addition. And what is repeated addition? Yes, you have learned it now. It is multiplication. So we are going to multiply 75 by 30 to get the total length of the ribbon to be bought. Come. So ribbon needed by one girl is 75 centimeter. Ribbon needed by 30 girls is 75 multiplied by 30. Again, children, it's very easy and it can be done horizontally. Now, children, if you are multiplying any number by a multiple of 10, so what you are going to do, you will multiply that number with the non-zero digit, and after multiplying, you will put a zero at the back. I'll just show you how. Multiply 75 by 3. Whatever answer comes, put a zero at the back, and that would be the answer. So easy, na? Okay. 5 threes are 15. So 5, 1 carry over. 7 threes are 21. 21 and 1, 22. So the answer is 2250 centimeter. Now again, when I was teaching you how to change centimeter to meter and centimeter, again I taught you a trick. Since in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter and in 100 we have 2 zeros, so last 2 digits will be the centimeter part and the number formed by the remaining digits will be the meter part. So children, here we will have 22 meters and 50 centimeter. So the answer is 22 meter 50 centimeter. So children, this is all about the chapter. Please practice as many word problems and as many addition and subtraction problems as you can. Also do loads of conversions so that you become very proficient in this chapter, long and short. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a great day.